Hi friends, let's read Minnie's Valentine. Hello everybody. Do you want to come to the clubhouse with me? Well, all right, let's go. Just say Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Super cheers. Today is Valentine's Day, but I don't have a present for Minnie. What should I do? Did you hear the doorbell ring? Let's see who it is. Today is February 14th. It's a special day, but I can't remember why. Let's check the mailbox. Look at all these cards. Now I know why this day is special. Do you? Hello, I'm Mickey Mouse. It's nice to meet you, Miss M. Can you really help me find a present for Minnie? That is great. Miss M says to check the weather. It will give me a clue. Look outside the clubhouse door. What is the weather like today? You betcha! It is cold outside. Minnie's ears always tingle when it is cold. Maybe I should give Minnie something to keep her ears warm on a frosty winter day. What could that be? A hat. That is a perfect present. But how will I find a hat for Minnie? Great idea, Miss M. I can knit a hat for Minnie. First, I need to get some wool. Miss M says to find an animal that says ba. Oh, Doodles, can you help us? A cow, a duck, a sheep, and a dog? Does a dog say ba? No, but a sheep sure does. I can get the wool for a sheep. Oh boy, 3 woolly sheep are outside my door. I can use their wool to make a hat, but I need to cut it first. Oh, Toodles! A hammer, an umbrella, a flashlight, or clippers. Which tool should I use? Good job! Clippers were exactly what I needed. The wool is clean and combed. Miss M says that I have to spin it now. I see a vacuum cleaner, a hair dryer, a spinning wheel, and a sewing machine. Which machine should I use? The spinning wheel worked. Nice going, everybody. Now I want to dye the wool pink. That is Minnie's favorite color. Can you find 2 colors I can mix to make pink? Eureka! Red and white make pink. The wool is all ready. It's time to knit the hat. Miss M has just the tools I need. Do you see them in her bag? Minnie hat is finally finished. Oh boy, am I tired? Goodbye, Miss M. Thanks for all your help. Ding dong! Minnie is here. Do you think she will like my present? Oh, Mickey, Minnie says. How did you ever know I wanted a pink hat? Minnie loves her new hat. How did Miss M know that it would be the perfect present? The end.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the story. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to Storytime with Sonia Panda to listen to more stories with me. Take care, friends.